I'm Sam, and I'm here with my friend Nadia to help explain how to solve a side-angle-side triangle. Now, in front of us, we have a simple side-angle-side triangle, and to jump right in, we're going to start by solving side C with the law of cosines. And the law of cosines states that c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared minus 2 times a times b times the cosine of c. Now, c could be this side and this angle, or this side and this angle. It depends on which one you're trying to find. But you've got to be careful that the c of the side you're trying to find corresponds with the opposite angle, right here. So if we plug in our numbers, we have c squared, the side we're trying to find, equals 7 squared, our side A, plus 13 squared, our side B, minus 2 times A times B times the cosine of 42, which is our angle C. Now, if you plug this into your calculator and begin to solve, you may notice, as you multiply through, you get this. And a common mistake that people make, that I'm going to touch on, is subtracting the 218 by the 182. But you have to remember that this is all being multiplied together. So this is, for example, similar to 182x. You can't subtract that from a simple number, and a lot of people make that mistake. So we go through and you plug that into your calculator. You should get somewhere around 82.74. You take the square root of both sides, and your answer is that C equals 9.10.
So, thanks to Samantha for helping us to find the last third side of an angle ABC. Now, as we know all three sides and we know one angle, we can use the law of sines in order to find another angle. So, the law of sines states that side A divided by the sine of angle A is equal to the side B divided by the sine of angle B and is equal to the sine C divided by the sine of angle C. We can use this law to find an angle A because angle B is the biggest angle and it should be found last. In order to find angle A, we need to plug in the numbers to the formula. And after doing it, that's what we get. That's the formula. Used and the numbers plugged in. Then we just simplify it by multiplying 7 to the sine of 42 and sine A to the side of 9.1. Then, after that, we simplify it again, and in order to find an angle A, we need to find the inverse sine of 7 multiplied by sine 42 divided by 9.1. And that's how we get angle A, which is equal to 30.98. We don't need to use the law of sines anymore, because we know that angles in triangle added all together are equal to 180. So we can use this rule in order to find angle B, the last angle, as we again know both angle C and angle A. In order to find angle B, we just simply subtract other two known angles from 180. And so it's going to be 180 minus 42 and minus 30.98. And this is going to be our angle B. And so we do simple math and we get angle B. Now, after using the law of cosines, the law of sines, and the simple rule about triangles that all the angles summed up together are equal to 180 degrees, we solved our triangle. And that's the final result.